Are your audio levels all over the place? Maybe you use different cameras and microphones and you just want to balance them out and set them to the proper volume for YouTube? Well, today I'm going to show you how to normalize audio in DaVinci Resolve for YouTube. It's really quite simple to do. We're going to be using a preset YouTube setting in DaVinci Resolve that sets our target loudness at -14 LUFS, which is the YouTube spec. So no fluff, just the stuff. Let's dive right into this tutorial. All right, so here we are in DaVinci Resolve and I'm in the editing tab and you can see I've got multiple clips in my timeline and the audio levels are all over the place. And this is what we're gonna be normalizing to YouTube today. So there's a couple of different ways to do this. You can do these individually. So you can just select the clip you would like to edit or normalize, or you can highlight all of them and do them all at once. The process is the same for doing this. So we're just gonna highlight all of them. If you just wanna do one, just select the one. Now you'll know which ones are selected by the red box being around them. So once you've got them all selected, what we're gonna do is go to the audio area here and we're gonna right click. So not left click, but right click. And in the menu that pops up, you'll see an option here that says Normalize Audio Levels. You can go ahead and select that. This is gonna give us some different options. So normalize audio levels. There's a normalization mode. Currently it's got true peak on. There's all sorts of options here. If you wanna know more about those, you can give each of them a Google. But down here towards the bottom, you're gonna see an option that says YouTube. Go ahead and select that. And this is gonna set the YouTube specs automatically. So we've got the target level here, which is -1 decibels. So this is your true peak or your safety ceiling that prevents your audio from distorting. And then we've got our target loudness. So this is in LUFS, it's at -14. So this is your average volume that ensures the video matches the professional loudness standards of YouTube. So those are automatically set in there. And then down here at the bottom, there's a couple options. So there's relative. This would take all your clips together and try to find that balance. I like to use independent, which is over here, which would look at each clip individually and come up with that target loudness right there. So we're gonna go ahead and select independent. You can play around with both of them. From here, let's go ahead and click on normalize. So just click on normalize and watch what happens to the audio levels down below. So we'll click on that and you can see it adjusts them up and down to get a very similar audio level for all of them. Now, I do find that sometimes the audio level can be slightly off a little bit. You can see that it adjusted them individually. And I would listen through the transitions to make sure they sound the same as you go through, and you can adjust them slightly here. I wouldn't adjust them too much, but just make sure that they sound even throughout the whole video. And really it's that simple to set your target level to -1 decibels and your target loudness to -14 LUFS for the YouTube spec. Just go ahead and export your video now and you are done. So I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.